Endoscopic repair of the superficial deltoid and spring ligament. Posterior tibial endoscopy is performed through the proximal and distal portal. First of all, the superficial deltoid ligament and also the spring ligament are examined for any tear. In this illustrated case, the tibial spring ligament and also the supromedial calcaneonavicular ligament are torn. The next step is suturing of the superficial deltoid ligament. This can be performed by means of a wiper suture passer through the distal portal, and sutures are passed through the proximal and the distal stumps of the ruptured ligament. This is best performed through the distal portal because the entry point is perpendicular to the surface of the ruptured ligaments. After suturing of the superficial deltoid ligament, the next step is suturing of the spring ligament. Suturing of the deep stump of the ligament is through the distal portal is not suitable because the entry point is parallel to the surface of the ligament. A high distal portal is needed for suturing of the deep part of the ruptured spring ligament. The portal is located just inferior to the equator of the talar head, at the level of the talonavicular joint. During suturing of the spring ligament, the big toe is dorsiflexed to tense up the flexor hallucis longus tendon, which can push the medial patellar nerve away from the operative site. The foot is inverted to bring the deep stump of the spring ligament medially to facilitate the suturing. Finally, the sutures are retrieved to the distal portal to facilitate subsequent locking of the sutures.